Week 2 of the 24-hour fast. Let's go. You guys ready? You guys gonna see the progress. Hopefully you'll see some improvements. I feel good when I do it, so I'm pretty motivated today. I'll kind of document it as I go. And same requirements. Take your supplements. Had a decent breakfast, eggs, little toast. Had a sandwich right now. Now we're good. Go 24 hours. Well, I'm trying to push it. I'll try to go a little longer. But let's see how it goes. All right, bye. 1 hour in, easy peasy. Let's go. 2 hours in, picking up the kids, and doing fine. So far, so good. So weirdly enough, like this 4 hour period, once you hit that 4 o'clock time, you start to feel it. You start to feel it. You start to get irritated, like you want to just pop like a grape or something. And maybe it's a sugar thing for me. But we'll keep pushing through. Usually once you get past this hurdle, like that 4 to 7 range, 3 hours, get through that, then you're good. Go to bed early, get up, skip it all the way through, and you'll be fine. You got this. Keep it up. So guys, we're about 8 hours in here. What time is it? Yeah, about 8 hours in, and I feel pretty good, honestly. Yeah, you got a mental challenge, right? I mean, you get hungry, you feel hungry, but you just need to fight through it. Simple. I mean, you just gotta find the way to distract yourself, do something else, stay away from food. It's kind of easy. And that's it, simple. So this is part of a 12-week series I'm gonna do. Hopefully you guys will see the difference as I go through this. And you'll see the improvements, the benefits, how you feel, how you approach food too. And I think it's gonna make a big difference in your overall health. If you can manage and challenge yourself to just do 24 hours a week, and then, obviously if you could do intermittent fasting in between, even better. And let's get there. All right, guys, bye. All right, guys, here we are. Just went through the second week, finished it, feel amazing. Honestly, I'm doing this every week now. I mean, it's simple, and I think it's gonna make a huge difference. I feel it, and I know that you will see the results too as we go through this series of 12. So just know it's very doable, very easy. And if you have any questions or concerns or tricks, please hit me up. Let me know. What do you think? What are you feeling? And we'll help you through this process. All right, bye-bye.